You hear it before you see it. Not a roar, but a low, confident growl. It doesn't scream for attention. It doesn't have to. Because in the world of diesel giants, the Detroit DD16 isn't the loudest in the room. It's the most powerful. But what makes this engine the silent powerhouse of the industry? And why are more veteran drivers choosing it over noisier, flashier options? Let's lift the hood. Now, quick question. Ever seen a 2,000-mile haul eat an engine alive before breakfast? Yeah, some engines collapse before the weight even settles. But the DD16? It thrives under pressure. Underneath its sleek, minimalistic exterior lies a beast built for the long game. We're talking about a 15.6-liter inline-six that cranks out up to 600 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque. But it's not just about raw numbers. It's how smoothly the power flows, like a heavyweight boxer with a surgeon's precision. And here's the twist. It does it all while whispering. The DD16 was engineered for quiet operation without sacrificing output. It's like hauling freight behind a velvet curtain. Clean, silent, and shockingly capable. Now, don't mistake silence for softness. This engine is forged with a compacted graphite iron block, meaning it's not just lighter, it's tougher than traditional cast iron. Translation? More strength, less wear, which means fewer breakdowns, fewer surprises, and more miles where it counts. On the road, not in the shop. But what really sets the DD16 apart is the integrated Detroit powertrain. The DD16 DT12 transmission and Detroit axles work together like a finely tuned orchestra. Every shift is timed, every move calculated. It's not just smart, it's strategic. And when you're hauling a full load through the Rockies in a snowstorm, trust me, you'll want a system that's playing chess while others are rolling dice. Let's reset your attention for a moment. Ever tried to impress a diesel tech with your engine knowledge? Say DD16 and watch their eyebrow raise. That's the silent nod of respect in the industry. Because under the radar doesn't mean underpowered, it means underestimated. And that's exactly where the DD16 likes to live. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The Fornum fuel efficiency. This engine doesn't just pull hard, it sips smart. Thanks to advanced fuel injection tech and optimized combustion, the DD16 can stretch a gallon in ways older engines can only dream of. And in today's market, where fuel prices dance like Wall Street stocks, efficiency isn't a perk, it's survival. Still wondering if the DD16 can handle the grind? Let's talk longevity. This engine is designed for over 1 million miles. Before a major overhaul. That's coast to coast 400 times. If your truck had frequent flyer miles, it'd qualify for a free trip to the moon and back. But the biggest reason truckers are making the shift? Confidence. Confidence that their engine will fire up at 3 a.m. in sub-zero temps. Confidence that steep climbs won't drain the life out of it. Confidence that when the delivery is due and time is ticking, they've got a partner under the hood that won't flinch. And still, the industry doesn't talk about the DD16 the way it talks about the CAT 3406 or Cummins ISX15. Why? Because true power doesn't always shout. It hums, it hauls, it endures. So now you have to wonder,